Hello, my name is Sarah. What is your name? I haven't seen you here before. Are you new here?
My name is John. Yes, I am new here. You are very pretty.
What are you doing, John?
I am an English teacher. What do you do, Sarah?
I am looking for a job. I have completed my degree recently.
That's great. What are you interested in?
Well, maybe I am interested in administration job where I can make interesting decisions.
I think I can help you. I have a friend in administration Black.
Oh really? I would be very happy if you help me.
No problem. I will help you, pretty girl.
Here is my phone number. Call me. I will be waiting for call. See you. That boy was so kind to me, wasn't he? Let me call him for dinner tonight. Maybe he also likes me. But wait, what will I cook for him? It must be something special. Welcome to my house, John.
Thank you so much for your invitation. Sarah, I really appreciate you.
No problem, dear. You know what? I am here for so long I never met anybody like you.
Thanks for your compliment. I know what you mean.
Let me take you around and show you my neighborhood.
Let's go then. I am sorry I am sneezing.